Hi everyone, this is Jamshed Qureshi here, and this video is part of the Angular course we have on YouTube. In this video, we will get an intro of Angular, what is Angular and why we should use it. So basically, what is Angular and why it is called an SPA, which is a single page application framework. So before web frameworks like Angular, React and Vue, the way we used to develop our website and applications was we had to link our web pages in the href tag, and whenever we click on the link, our HTML page used to get loaded in the browser, which would reload the browser. So single page applications solve those problems by loading our HTML files within the application without the browser reloading the entire page. So that actually increases the application speed as well as the user experience. So what is an Angular? Angular basically is a framework which is maintained by Google. It was initially released in September 2016. The initial version which was released was Angular version 2. Before Angular version 2, Angular version 1 was released, which is generally known as AngularJS, but it had some shortcomings. That is why it was rewritten in Angular version 2 and onwards. The current version for Angular is version 15 as of now. So let's go to the official website for Angular, which is angular.io, and let's check their documentation. We can see all the versions released in Angular over here. So it started off with Angular version 2, they skipped version 3, and they have been regularly releasing regular versions for 4 and up to current version, which is 15. So what all things are required to get started off with Angular? So here in the documentation, we can see that it is assumed that you have a basic knowledge of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. It would be good if you have knowledge about these. It will help you get started quickly with Angular development. Along with that, you should also have some basic knowledge and understanding of TypeScript. TypeScript is basically a superset language of JavaScript. I would highly recommend getting some basic understanding and hands-on on TypeScript. So what all features are included in Angular framework? So what is Angular? Let's check that out. So as per the documentation, it is a component-based framework for building scalable web applications. It means that you can use Angular to develop a tiny single-page web application to a large e-commerce website as well. And what all things are included in Angular? So here it mentions it is a collection of well-integrated libraries that cover a wide variety of features, including routing, form management, client-server communication, and more. So basically, if we use other libraries, then we have to individually install npm.js libraries for routing, for forms management, for HTTP server calls. But here in Angular, we are given pre-packaged dependencies for forms, for routing in our application, for HTTP server calls through RxJS, and so on. So it is a single framework bundled with all the dependencies we need to develop a large-scale application. And as of now, in version 15, we have some more unique features like standalone components, which are targeted in developing micro front-end frameworks. So in this video, we learned what is Angular, why we need Angular, and what all things are included in Angular. I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any queries, then please write it down in the comments below. Bye.